Hi everyone, my name is Patty Bullock and I am a realtor and property manager for Premier Utah Real Estate here in beautiful Tooele, Utah. So a little about myself. I began my career in real estate about 30 years ago, and about 15 years ago I hopped the fence and am now a realtor in Tooele County. Today I'd like to talk to you about the importance of credit in the home buying process. It's actually the first and most crucial step in the home buying process. First, what you'll want to do is pull a full credit profile. What that means is pulling a credit report through each of the three major credit bureaus, and that is Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. There are many reputable websites out there that offer free credit reports that include your credit score. I myself prefer Credit Karma because they offer free updates, whether they be positive or negative. The only negative with them is that they only offer two credit bureaus, you'll have to pull the third one separately. But either way it works. So now once you have all three credit bureaus, what you'll want to do is pay particular attention to your negatives. Those entries are the ones that are pulling down your credit score the most. But there are many variables that go into your credit score. What many people don't know is that you have the right to dispute any negative entries on your credit report. What that means to you is the credit bureau will contact the creditor that's reporting the negative entry and make any changes based on the response that they receive. Not all credit bureaus contain the same information. That's why you'll want to pull all three credit bureaus to see what's listed on each one. Another important factor in obtaining a good credit score is to obtain credit at all. Without a good credit profile, your ability to purchase a home with a home loan is greatly diminished. The great part about having no credit at all is that you have no negative credit, so it's easier to build a good credit profile from there. And I know of several great tips for you to get your credit obtained and maintained. Many people don't realize how liberating it is to have good credit, but used unwisely, it could close many more. Thanks for tuning in. Again, my name is Patty Bullock. Give me a call and let's get together and get your credit where it needs to be so that you too can achieve your dream of owning your own home for you and your family.